I challenge you to look at your customer process as though it was in the medical profession. If you go to your dentist, what do? Call you the day before and remind you of the appointment. They've got your medical history pulled out. Then they have a nurse check your temperature, your weight, and the reason you're there. Are you doing that with your customer? Could you imagine if the nurse came to the doctor and said, "Hey, I didn't have time. They were lined up around the door. So I didn't do those processes. I didn't have time to pull the history. I didn't have time to ask them what was going on." Would that fly with your doctor? I challenge you to be as good as the medical profession in the way you handle the customers at your dealership.
Visit fixedperformance.com to sign up for Rob Gehring's free newsletter, and don't forget to like Fixed Performance on Facebook.